Today, in the world of automotive technology, there is a huge variety of devices designed to improve the comfort, safety, and functionality of our cars. There are many interesting devices, from innovative collision avoidance systems and elegant aroma diffusers to futuristic projection displays and mobile car access control applications. At the same time, each system is designed not only to improve the performance of the car, but also to give it more personality and unique style. One, Car Aroma Diffuser. The Aroma Diffuser, in the form of an elegant airplane made of high-temperature resistant aluminium alloy, is powered by a solar battery, so the driver does not need to worry about charging it. As you can see, it is quite small, makes no noise and doesn't block the view of the road, which means it will not become an obstacle while driving. The propeller actively disperses the fragrance that refreshes the interior of the car. Just add a few drops of your favorite oil to the pad and enjoy. At the same time, all fans of futuristic design can choose the option with rotating wings. 2. HeadUp Display with diagnostic information and GPS data. By using this unique head-up display, you can easily find out various information about your car, from the speed and fuel level to engine operation analysis. In total, more than 100 different parameters will be available to the driver. Installation of the device is fairly simple, since it can be placed on top of the dashboard or mounted on the windshield. One can also choose among 10 different interface styles for ease of use. 3. Air Conditioning Control Panel for BMW. Now one can upgrade the interior of their car with this elegant modern air conditioner panel. It has an intuitive interface, a stylish look, and the most accurate settings. With this device, one can effortlessly ensure the desired temperature inside the car, as well as adjust the airflow to create an optimal microclimate. In addition, the control panel adapts its brightness depending on the lighting level for ease of use at any time of day. 4. Mobileye Collision Avoidance System. The Mobileye Collision Avoidance System helps drivers keep a safe distance between cars by using visual and audio notifications about the critical distance. It also tracks the time to the car ahead, signaling when it decreases to 2.5 seconds or less, and also warns about pedestrians and cyclists in the danger zone. The green and red icons indicate safe and unsafe travel times. This system has only one drawback. Which one? For now, it does not work at night. 5. Keto Mobile App. The Keto Mobile App can easily transform your smartphone into a reliable and convenient electronic key to your car, providing instant and secure access without a physical key. With this application, you can easily start the car and even give access to your family and friends without risking your lovely car. Highest level of safety is achieved through an advanced two-factor authentication and data encryption system, which are used by leading cloud platforms. The Keto app also allows one to open the doors and trunk of the car. 6. Wolfbox Touchscreen DVR. The main advantage of this DVR is high video quality. In addition, it perfectly works in low-light conditions, which is ensured through the use of high-resolution cameras. In addition, Wolfbox DVR is often equipped with GPS, which allows the driver to track their route. Additionally, features such as automatic parking, motion detectors, and lane departure warning systems enhance driving safety. However, the most interesting feature of the device is undoubtedly the high-resolution touchscreen, which provides a clear image and allows the driver to quickly view recorded video directly on the device. 7. Racebox Indicator. The Racebox Indicator is designed to measure and analyze the performance of a car in real time. It is widely used in the field of motorsport and among enthusiasts who want to improve the performance of their cars. Now, one can easily measure the time of acceleration from 0 to 60 km per hour, acceleration from 60 to 130 km per hour, or finishing the lap on the racetrack. The device also helps to evaluate the overall performance of the car and its components, and the effectiveness of the changes or improvements made.
The Racebox Indicator can be used not only on cars, but also on any other vehicles. 8. Undercarriage high-pressure washing device. By offering a capacity that exceeds conventional devices by more than 7 times, this high-pressure device with 7 nozzles guarantees coverage of a significant cleaning area while saving your efforts. It not only effectively removes rust and corrosion from the bottom of the car, but also acts as a powerful water brush for cleaning large areas, including entrances, sidewalks, and terraces. Due to its compatibility with most high-pressure systems and the ability to work with water at any temperature, it becomes an indispensable tool for every driver. 9. OctiLock Biometric Lock for the steering wheel. If you really care about your car and don't want it to be stolen, you need a reliable steering wheel lock. Unlike traditional locks, which have not changed much in the last 20 years, the OctiLock is equipped with smart feature and functions. One can unlock it not only with a key, but also with their fingerprint or smartphone. 10. Car Organizer. Such a stylish storage box for various items will make the space of your car more tidy. First of all, it has one large compartment for all sorts of small things, as well as holders for glasses with coffee or water, and even a phone. Such an organizer can be installed on the back seat of almost any car. It is very durable, easy to clean, and one can use it as an armrest. 11. Disc Lock Steering Wheel Lock. The disc lock steering wheel lock stands out for its exceptional strength and reliability among all other devices on the market. It is made of reinforced steel and provides full coverage of the steering wheel, protecting it from unauthorized access in the most reliable manner. According to the results of tests conducted by security experts, the disc lock demonstrates the ability to withstand hacking attempts, including with the use of power tools, much longer than any other locks. Its appearance also contributes to additional protection, since the visibility of the lock from the outside of the car can effectively deter potential intruders. 12. Headrest Fans. This fan offers a choice of 3 cooling levels: low, medium, and high. It can be easily fixed to the front seat using an adjustable strap and connected to the power supply via the USB cable that comes with the device. Due to the sufficient length of the wire, installation will not cause difficulties. The fan is also suitable for use in the home, office, during sports in the gym, outdoors, hiking, or any other place where you need to cool down. 13. IQ Air Atom Car Air Purifier. The air in your car contains a mixture of toxic fumes and gases that are potentially harmful to your health and the health of those you love. The IQ Air Atom Car Purifier with a new generation filter can be a solution to this problem. It captures up to 99% of pollutants, including ultrafine particles with the size of 0.003 microns, as well as viruses and bacteria. In addition, it is capable of absorbing odors and gases, ensuring clean air in the car. This unique device allows you to protect yourself and your loved ones from the harmful effects of polluted air. 14. Basia Solar FM Transmitter with a solar battery. This multifunctional Bluetooth FM transmitter will give you the opportunity to use your hands-free function and listen to your favorite music through the car audio system. While being equipped with a built-in battery, it is capable of charging from solar energy. For fast charging, there is an option to connect via the Type-C port, thanks to which the device can be fully charged in just 75 minutes. A convenient magnetic mount allows the driver to place the device on the windshield, where it will take up little space and will not affect the overall visibility. Volume control selection of tracks and frequencies of the FM range, as well as reception and termination of calls, is carried out through the upper panel, which is also equipped with a display showing the current frequency. 15. LED Air Freshener. Such an LED air freshener is an innovative 2-in-1 gadget that provides not only lighting, but also a pleasant aroma inside the car. While being equipped with LEDs and a built-in microphone, the gadget syncs with music and your voice, changing the colors and rhythm of the lighting. By using the mobile application, one can select the desired mode and backlight color. At the same time, the air freshener can remove all unpleasant odors in a matter of minutes. 16. Showing cameras when parking a BMW. To access the parking function, simply tap the corresponding button on the center panel. Turning on the rear speed automatically activates the display of the parking space. The view from your car's external cameras will also appear on the screen. Now you need to choose the parking image option to access the screen with graphical prompts. You can use the camera icons to change the viewing angle and ensure the best visibility. For a wider perspective, you can turn on the panoramic view mode. 17. Car wash assistance. Using the car wash view, you can display the view from an external camera on the screen, simplifying the process of entering the car wash. Additionally, the camera cleaning mode is available to improve visibility. In the settings section, you can adjust and activate a variety of parking options. 18. Tracky GPS Tracker. This compact Tracky GPS Tracker provides wide coverage, making it perfect for tracking cars, people, pets, and valuable items. The set includes a magnet, a waterproof silicone case, a belt clip, and a keychain. The battery of the device provides up to 5 days of operation with constant monitoring at intervals of 1 to 5 minutes. With minimal activity, fixing the location once or 3 times a day, the charge lasts up to 75 days. The device uses GPS satellites for outdoor tracking and Wi-Fi when located indoors. With a built-in international SIM card by Vodafone, the tracker can be used in real time anywhere in the world. 19. Oh No Warning System. This device functions without the need for a subscription and automatically turns on when the car starts moving, becoming your reliable assistant on the road without the need to manually activate the application every time. It provides audio and visual signals, minimizing the driver's distraction, and informs in advance about the presence of surveillance cameras and potential dangers on the way. If you are the first to notice a traffic accident, just press the button twice to notify other users about it. If you have found a new speed camera, just press it once. However, it is important to remember that, despite the increased level of safety thanks to this gadget, no one has cancelled the need to comply with traffic rules. 20. Pneumatic Duster Puller. This pneumatic duster puller makes the process of replacement on the outside of the driveshaft using pneumatics faster and less time-consuming, significantly saving your time. Thanks to it, it is no longer necessary to dismantle the driveshaft or disconnect the hinge from the shaft. Such a tool can be used for most types of cars and ATVs. 21. LED Sill Illumination. This innovative system has the ability to automatically recognize the driver, giving you the freedom to customize everything according to your personal preferences. You can write your name, brand of car, and any memorable text. It is perfect for those who want to make their car unique, offering a choice of 7 colors and 20 different modes of lighting effects. The lamps are made of waterproof material, which guarantees their durability and resilience to weather conditions. Installation of the system does not require drilling, ensuring the safety of your car. The kit includes 4 lighting devices and a USB charging cable. 22. Unique headlights. Headlights are one of the most noticeable features of the car. That is why many manufacturers and specialized workshops offer a wide range of services for their tuning and modernization. However, this is not just a way to give the car a unique appearance, but also an opportunity to significantly improve the quality of road lighting, which directly affects the safety of the driver and passengers. 23. Powerrun Portable Launcher. The Powerrun device has an impressive peak current of 4,000 amperes, so it can quickly start cars with gasoline and diesel engines with a volume of up to 10 liters. The device can make up to 40 starts on a single charge, even if the battery voltage is extremely low. It is protected from water and dust and has impact resistance, which guarantees its safe use in various weather conditions. In addition, the starter can be used to charge smartphones and tablets and is equipped with a powerful LED flashlight with 3 modes of operation.
24 Retractable Car Charger. This smart car charger with a voltage monitoring function ensures optimal charging and protects against overloads, overcharges, and overheating. It is compatible with gadgets that support various fast charging protocols. Its compact retractable design contributes to ease of use and prevents tangling of cables. This device is suitable for the vast majority of cars and guarantees a secure connection. Customers are provided with a 1-year warranty with the possibility of replacement or refund, as well as round-the-clock support. 25 Ring Car Camera. The Ring recording device will provide your car with 24/7 protection. It has 2 HD cameras capturing all movements and actions, which guarantees a clear image of any suspicious activity outside and inside your car. One will receive instant notifications of any violations through the app, and one will also be able to take advantage of real-time viewing and two-way communication. The device easily connects to your home Wi-Fi. '26 BMW Highway Traffic Assistant. While driving on the highway, do not forget to turn on the Traffic Assistant. Make sure to activate the Assisted Driving Plus mode. When driving along the highway with your hands on the steering wheel and meeting all the requirements, you will see a message suggesting using automatic mode. Now you can take your hands off the steering wheel and relax. At the same time, your assistant will help you stay in your lane, maintaining the speed and distance set by cruise control to the cars ahead of you, while you carefully monitor the road. 27. Enjoying the ride in a BMW electric car. First of all, fully charge your car and pre-adjust the cabin climate to suit your needs. In order to find charging stations along the way, you can use maps from BMW. They are all listed in the appropriate sections on your dashboard. Do not forget to upload the car and remove all additional equipment from it after arrival at the place. This will extend the service life of your car. 28. Using M Visualizer for BMW. With the help of the M Visualizer, you can easily choose a unique color for your BMW. In the application interface in the lower left corner, first select the desired car model and then experiment with its appearance by changing the color. There are more than 150 different shades at your disposal. After choosing the perfect option, you can show it to the dealer, and after making a purchase, enjoy the car in your individual color every day. 29. BMW wheel bolt locks for additional protection. The original vandal-proof wheel bolts offer reliable protection against theft. The set includes 4 bolts, a special key for installing them, and a card with a unique code on the back, which may be required to duplicate the key. The bolts are mounted manually, and it is necessary to make sure that they fully fit. 30. Tesla's dog mode for pet safety. Tesla has introduced a new dog mode feature to ensure a comfortable stay of pets in the car in the absence of owners. It allows one to maintain the chosen temperature in the cabin using the climate control system, even when the engine is turned off. In addition, a message is displayed on the central screen for passers-by that everything is fine with the pet and the owner will return soon. This is aimed at preventing overheating or hypothermia of animals in a closed car. 31. Robson Drive System. This system is a unique solution to improve the grip and maneuverability of trucks. Its special feature is the ability to optimize weight distribution and improve traction on the drive axle, which is especially important when driving on slippery or uneven roads. This technology not only improves transportation efficiency, but also contributes to fuel economy, making the transportation industry more environmentally friendly and economical.